Here's the interior of the Nicholson 32 I'm selling. There's the front V-berth, and there's a toilet there, shower, there's a sink, mirror, etc. And as you can see, it's very clean inside. The windows don't leak, which is great. And here's the other side here. I'll get back a bit so you can have a better look. The good thing about these things is if you're 6 foot tall, you can stand up in them. And we'll go outside. I'll just put the camera back so you can see into it. You can see on the right there, sitting on the one of the benches there, one of the seats, is the Simrad electric self-steerer. There's a Metho stove there. And UHF radio. We're coming back. It's got a Yanmar 30 horsepower with about 450 hours on it. We'll have a bit of a look outside. Solar panel. And big heavy duty manual winch here. It's all bronze. And we'll have a look back down on it. It's got all new rigging, standing rigging. It was done in Christmas time 2018. Dodger. It's got a big solar panel looking after the batteries. It's got 2 new batteries. Well, about new about 6 months ago. And that's it. So send a message and I'll get back to you if you're interested in it. I'm asking $25,500 for it. Okay, Nicholson 32. See ya.